Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are going to be installing this WeatherTech alloy cover onto our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. So WeatherTech does provide an installation manual, and we're going to be doing our best to follow this instructions as thoroughly as possible. But make sure that this is the ultimate source of reference when you're installing your own WeatherTech alloy cover. So WeatherTech provides you with this gasket, these clamps, and some side rails, and then of course that alloy cover that will come on at the end. But let's start off with getting this gasket attached to the front side of our truck bed. You can see that there's a tall side and a short side. The tall side is going to go closer to the cab area, so make sure that you're installing it that way. First, you're going to take the alcohol wipe that they provided you with and just wipe down this whole top rail. Now you can tell I'm going to have some extra, just a heads up, on this install for our Ram 1500. This is a 2019 Ram. There we go. Again, just going to place it right in the middle there. And all I'm doing is just applying pressure so that way it adheres really well. And just work your way down and just trim off any excess C-channel here. Trying to get it nice and close to this bed rail so that way it's as protected as possible. So I'm gonna start on the passenger side here. I'm gonna be just cutting this open. And these are gonna be all the clamps that you're gonna be using to install 4 on each side. WeatherTech recommends installing the front, the back, and then these two 1/3 down, 2/3 down, just to kind of have even distribution of these clamps holding stuff in place. The clamp. So the way we're going to be installing these ones today, you can have them kind of interlocking like this. We're going to have ours more like this, where the short side is together here and then the long side's together. That way it kind of gives us a more even channel here. Once you tighten this down, it should keep this bolt from wanting to slide around a lot. And I'm just gonna get them hand tight to start with. Make sure everything's lined up, feeling good before I really snugging things down. Making it so we have the long side and the short side together. Open it up. And you can see like in this, there's like teeth essentially too that these teeth are gonna bite into. So find you a spot there. Snug it up. Okay, and I'm making sure that this rail is as push forward as possible as well here. You don't want it to interfere with your tailgate. Again, I mean, you could get out your tape measure and measure 1/3, 2/3 all the way through. We're just gonna eyeball it today, call it good. Here. All right, and the last one here. Yeah. I'm gonna take my ratchet and just tighten these down. That's our passenger side rail. Now we're gonna jump over to the driver's side, do the exact same thing. Our bed rails around there nice and snug, nice and tight. Now we're gonna get the alloy cover to put on top. This piece hooks underneath the gray. So essentially what's happening here is you saw the 2 gray pieces at the front. There's 2 hooks that hook underneath on each side of the gray pieces. And then on this side, you may have seen it click into place here. This kind of clicks on either side into place into this holding area. You can pull it in the middle with this cord here that comes down and lift it up one more time. You can see these pieces right here. Now, me doing this has detached it from the bed of the truck. And that's what you're gonna wanna do when you're taking this completely off. But we don't wanna do that, so we're just gonna slide it right back down. It's gonna click right into place again. And you can hear these latch right into place. WeatherTech, as a safety precaution, provides you with these D hooks here, D rings, I don't know what they are. Just gonna hook them on here as an added safety benefit there on each side. Now you can travel with your cover up like this if you needed to, and you just attach it using these little T-hooks right here. Slide it into place here under your gasket on either side. But to close it, you unhook on either side, and then you can fold it closed. And lastly, here. Now you probably heard it latch into place here. That's these areas right here. It's just hooking right onto the bed rail that we installed. And that's on both sides, so you can pull them both like that and snap down right into place, and nice and locked once you shut your tailgate here. So that's going to do it for this install of this WeatherTech alloy cover for our Ram 1500. To find more products like this to keep your truck work ready, check out upfitsupply.com. I'm Johnny. Have a good one.